Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Cancer, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Cancer. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. Alright, Cancer, let's start your reading. Welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Cancer, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Oh, somebody wants to return, Cancer. Okay, they want to have equal give and take, it seems, feeling very depressed. Two of Swords, Five of Cups in reverse, and the Nine of Pentacles. Yes, Cancer, it does seem that somebody who maybe was not being very emotional, was this somebody from your past, definitely. Six of Cups, right? Maybe in the past they behaved like this. They were very cold and unemotional and maybe lied to you about something, I don't know. But this person is very, very depressed and sad over their own behavior now. It seems the Empress has turned their face away from them. They do see their person as gorgeous and the perfect queen above all queens, or the highest level of, integrity, beauty, growth, everything else. They are waiting for something. I don't know what. On their mind is equal give and take. They wanted this equal partnership. But right now, it doesn't seem like they're taking any action. There is a bit of delay going on. Let's see why that is. Cancer, let's start with your dialogue message cards, okay? Cancer and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Cancer and their person. Oh, that was a big one. Cancer and their person. And let's take a few more from here. Cancer and their person. And Cancer, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Let's take a couple more from here, mix it up nicely, and okay. Good to go, Cancer. Let's start your reading. Your first card here says, I get so frustrated when you're on the phone when we are together. I want to get up and walk out of the room because it's so disrespectful. I see our time together as sacred and, believe it or not, limited. If we are spending precious time together, our attention should be on each other. Maybe that's what they did in the past, not giving this Empress time, being cold, pretending I don't care. Why do you hide your pain from me? You know that I can see right through you. Our souls are entwined and reflect each other deeply. If you would only talk with me, I could help support your healing, and that would help heal me too. When you ran, I felt like I lost my light and I plunged into darkness. My heart and even my spirit shattered into pieces. I'm trying to heal, surrender, and trust in the divine plan, but I fear I'll never be the same again. I've been loyal to you. Can you honestly say you've been loyal to me? Loyalty to me is knowing that you can trust someone with your mind, body, heart, soul, and life. Being faithful and a reliable partner always. My friends keep telling me I made a big mistake in letting you go. I want to fix things between us. I just don't know how to make things right at this time. I love the sound of your voice. I hear you speak with me telepathically and in dreams. I long to talk with you again. See, I told you, somebody is going through a lot of depression now. They are waiting. They want to take action. My desire is to have a family with you. Would you have a family with me? We see this from two different perspectives. It hurts me to say we should go our separate ways. This could be this Empress. I know I hurt you. Please forgive me. Okay, so Cancer, these were some of your dialogue message cards. If these were resonating with your storyline, let's start with your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card as always. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Optimism. Somebody needs to be optimistic. I think somebody's gotten into a bit of a depression here, and that's what the delay is all about. Cancer, as much as whoever this person is, this King of Wands in reverse, they've lost their, their mojo. They've lost their drive. They feel they've done something so wrong that they won't be able to come out of it now. And yes, the message is to stay optimistic. And of course, if you're on the other side, the Empress, you're on your way. Stay positive and keep going. All right? Let's see now. Spirit, who is this person in the Four of Cups in reverse energy? Four of Cups in reverse. Somebody who never made that offer. Maybe they were full of their pride and ego, and they never yes, they were in their toxic energy. Maybe they had addictions. Addictions could be anything, right, Cancer? It could be addiction towards money or work or sex or alcohol, drugs, whatever. I don't feel it's that heavy, but whatever this person was, I think they had an addiction to just being proud and egoistic and, I don't care attitude, that kind of a person. And maybe not very kind with, their language, or maybe just being rude and mean, or showing this Empress down maybe, right? So they never respected that person. They never really showed respect, and now they are kind of recognizing what they did and why they lost their Empress. And this person is quite depressed right now. They do really wish to come back. They're now recognizing that maybe they just behaved. Yes, they are recognizing that in the past they may have portrayed themselves as a bit of an inconsistent energy. Like, I don't care and I have so many people and I'm here today, there tomorrow. And they never stayed around for very long. They may have broken a lot of promises, Cancer. And yes, now they're recognizing all that they've done wrong. Now they've also kind of a little worried that they feel, now they're looking at this Empress to say, wow, that's the queen above all queens. And, they think of me like this. So Six of Cups, Spirit. They do know this is a soulmate connection. They feel that, yes, they're trying to manifest coming back. They want to come back. They want to go home. This is like, bringing you flowers and saying, hey, you're my soulmate and we've been together for many lifetimes, or I want to be with you forever and ever, kind of a thing. Very sweet. Now, this person has now recognized that who is their true partner, but because of their depression and their fear of, rejection maybe, or feeling that they didn't behave properly in the past, all they are doing is praying and manifesting and feeling rather depressed. Same card again, Four of Cups in reverse. So Empress, let's have a few clarifications for the Empress. Oh, Empress is like, wow, if you're not with me, I don't need you. I wanted you, and I'm full of passion and fire. And if not you, I can move forward and have a creative, brand new beginning in my own life somewhere else. I'm turning away from you. Look at this. I'm turning away from you. I still have a lot of fire left in me, and I can, see what else is out there. I can find somebody who'll actually give me that equal give and take, which you were not willing to give me. This Empress is, okay, one more. Empress has had their heart broken. They've had their heart broken. Ooh, Two of Cups. See, now this person knows who this Empress is. Now it's their turn to feel heartbroken. Now they're recognizing, this is my Two of Cups. This is my Two of Cups, and now they are heartbroken. And because why? Because they've broken their person's heart, and now they desperately want a renewal or a resurrection of this connection, desperately want this fight to end. They want this fight to end because they recognize that the passion they have for this empress is everlasting. Nobody compares to this empress. So, Three of Wands, Spirit. Three of Wands. They've made their decision. They have made their choice. They have made their decision, but they are very stressed out. As much as they want to come out of this feeling lonely and being out in the cold or be feeling separated, this person has losing sleep. They're having nightmares because now all their past behavior is showing up in the mirror for them. So all they're doing right now is waiting. What are they waiting for, Spirit? Yes, they're just causing unnecessary delays. Unnecessary delays because now they feel like a loser. They feel all the games that I played with this empress, I'm now in the losing end. This empress seems to be glowing and they can get anyone they want. Maybe they're already checking out to see what else is out there, and I lost with all my pride and ego. Six of Pentacles, Spirit. Six of Pentacles. This person has fallen in love. They're madly in love now. They want to have this equal give and take. King of Cups and the Six of Pentacles. They want to come forward and say, can we start from scratch? Maybe bring you a gift or flowers or something, I don't know. But this person is like offering, hey, can we please, I love you, can we start again? They could have been very selfish and self-centered in the past. That I'm feeling that very strong. But now they are unable to take action or come towards this empress because right now they could be gathering up their courage, Cancer. But for 1 second, they haven't taken their eyes off this empress. They are watching. They're watching. They're spying. They want to start this brand new, chapter with this empress. But the reason they don't have the courage right now is because they feel this person is very upset with them and has already slammed the door on them, or will if they make a move or if they try and contact this. Their person will be very, very upset and say, no, I've already shut the chapter down. I'm not interested. So that's the reason this King of Wands is upside down as well. They are not taking action, but quietly watching from the sidelines, waiting for maybe an opportunity or a chance or something. Meanwhile, trying to gather up this courage to actually come face to face. So, Two of Swords, Spirit. Two of Swords. They feel this empress is got her blindfold on now and will totally block them, and has their barrier up, has their guard up, and they feel, oh my God, whatever I did now, I see it totally backfiring on me. They really do want to come out of this regret and sorrow and sadness. They want to return really bad. Cancer, look at this. Wanting to come out of feeling regret and sorrow and wanting to return back. Okay? But there is still a delay. Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? What's the delay about? Oh, they feel powerless, totally. They feel totally powerless because maybe in the past they were trying to be that emperor in reverse, trying to be very controlling, may have said a few things like, hey, I don't believe in commitment, I don't believe in marriage. And now they want everything that they said they didn't want, and that is becoming like a huge burden. It's like they'll have to eat their words now. They'll have to eat their words, and they don't know how to do it. Especially since now they've seen that their person has walked away from the scene. It has shaken their world up, Cancer. Ever since I think this Empress turned her face away and said, ta-da, I'm not interested, you can play your game somewhere else, and walked away from the scene. This other person, the Emperor in reverse, I think has had a huge wake-up call. It's like their whole world has gotten disrupted. Maybe they took this Empress for granted. They thought, I can behave and say whatever I want. Nobody's ever going to leave me, it's me, and that ego, pride, and whatever. But now it's that entire life has kind of shaken up. So, yes, that's all I have for you, Cancer. Hope it worked for you. Till next time, then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.